Hello friends, this is Jivtesh from Encode Digital. I know it's been almost 2 years now since I did the series. I started the series of value investing with Python, but unfortunately I wasn't able to complete that one. So we just left with the last part. The reason for that one is that I lost my laptop, so I lost all the data. And when I tried to restart it, I found that the financial modeling prep, so they make the API paid. And then I used the Alpha Vintage for my normal analysis, my own stock analysis, and they are free, and they introduce the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, a lot of things. So yeah, I'm not sure if that is an excuse, but yes, it's been like two three things together, which is the reason I wasn't able to complete. And I know that many of you requested me via messages that when the series is going to complete, so I'm going to do now, guys, so which is a very good thing. But what I want to do in this session is, when we went in the very first one, I did the analysis at that time, and then I shown you at that point of time that the outcome. So now this is from the April 2020. So when I was doing the value investing, and with all the criterias, we went through all the parts. So this was the outcome. And today I just wanted to compare the results, because the time itself going to prove our I should say our test, whether our all the hypotheses and all those sort of things stands against those things. So what I have done is that I took the same stocks which we identified via the same program, and the price it was in April 2020. Yeah, it was on April 19, 2020, and then today. So what is the price today? So I've just compared those ones. I wasn't able to find these four stocks. I'm not sure if they merged with something, or they too small. They were not on the Yahoo Finance, so I just looked on the Yahoo Finance and look the prices for today. So as you guys can see, let me actually filter on this one and make it largest to smallest. To be honest, all of them are green. So if we have means I invested in some of them, to be honest, at that point of time, which gave me good revenue. But if we would have invested in these ones, as you can see, some of them 250%, and they're all green. The only one they are not green is the four, which I'm not able to find. So I think it is a good test to see the criterias which Benjamin gave us. They does stands with time. The only thing is, because in April 2020, that was the COVID time, and all the stocks were down. That is another thing in my mind, like, is it, I'm not 100% sure if it is a real test, because we know that all the stocks were down, and they increased now, but these are the stocks we identified based on the criteria, like their EPS was growing from last 10 years, the PA ratio, and all those sort of things. So I'm going to do all those criteria, and so you will see the last part of that one tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but definitely this week. So yeah, it's just good to see. And also when I will do that one, and let's see what stocks we identify there, and that will be another test for the next year, or in 6 months of time. Not 6 months, because it's a value investing, so it take at least 1 year, 2 years to properly check. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reevaluate what we identified and see, yes, it stands through. But this right now, yeah, as you can see, I'm sure if you're subscribed to my channel, and if you followed my previous videos, you might have checked yourself anyway, these ones. So but if you are new joining today, this just gives the confidence, the criterias which Benjamin mentioned, and also Warren Buffett mentioned as well, the intelligent investor. So this stands true. Okay, so very short video. So like I mentioned, I'm going to do the last part. So we'll go through all the criterias and run through test, and then you guys can use that one to screen your stocks. Okay, thanks everyone. Cheers. Bye.